Hello guys, how are you all doing? So I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the course. It's not fully done yet, so I'm trying to give as much as time I can and make the videos for you guys, so you guys can learn and apply these things in the daily live market. Okay, so let's continue the next point in our course. Which is how do you confirm a change in trend by simple rules. Okay, so by now you know what is an order block, what is solidified highs and lows, what are the trading ranges, what is the discounted pricing and break of structure. If you don't know, go back to my other previous videos and learn there. These all concepts are here applied on the live market. Okay, so you will have better understanding what I'm talking about. So someone commented me on the one of my videos, do examples of some Indian stock markets. Okay, so I'm taking an example of one of the stock, Tata Power, and you can apply it on any chart which has a candlestick. Okay, so it doesn't matter, it's a stock market, options, indexes, forex, it is applied to all. The concepts are same, principles are same. You just need to find a way to find your model, or tweak it according to the market you're trading in. Okay, all right. So from our education from the previous videos, so so we have identified what is an order block here. Okay, so order block is a candle which breaks the structure. What is break of structure? This you go back to videos and see there. So today what we're going to talk about, how to confirm change in trade. So we're going to talk about here some we call it as a confirmation entry. All right, so what we're trying to do here, so this is a daily chart, so we're trying to catch a trend, this move up, down, up to this daily high on 1 minute or 5 minutes. So that's how you get very high risk and reward, right? Here is the thing. Okay, so how do you confirm change in trend? Let's say, for example, let's say this, you coming, you need this thing, 1 break of structure and 2 break of structure. Okay, so you need to have 2 BOS, then only you know now we change from bearish to bullish, right? Kind of this thing. Okay, this break of structure is from here and this is from here. So you will have some order block, some kind of order block here. There are 2 order blocks. Okay, so one order block will be here and other order block will be here. Okay, now so we are not going to enter unless we see this kind of structure on 1 minute or 2 minute or 5 minute time frame based on this daily stuff. Okay, so we need to confirm all this, so we have a marked daily order block and the stuff. So as soon as the price enters in your order block, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the 1 minute and see this kind of structure. Okay, you need to have 2 BOS. Unless you see a 2 BOS, you are not going to enter it. Okay, that's too risky. Okay, now sometimes what happens is like, okay, you will not get clean move like this. Okay, sometimes it will take a liquidity from this. It will stop out all these players and then make a second BOS. We'll talk about what is the liquidity and the stuff, but just remember, for sake of this video, how to confirm change in trend. So you will get 2 BOS like this. One is taking liquidity and 2 BOS with like simple thing. Okay, so 1 BOS which is taking a liquidity and one is normal, like it's not taking liquidity. So we need to see that in order to confirm a change in trend, because if you see this red move is very heavily bearish on the 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and we're trying to catch a trade on 1 minute based on daily trade on 1 minute. That's how we're going to get the high reward, risk and reward. Okay, so let's dive and see on what is happening on there. Okay, as soon as the price hits your point of interest, okay, what you're going to do, you're going to simply set an alert here, and when alert triggered, and you're going to act. Okay, so what do you see here, right? What do you see here? So we see a one break of structure here, and we see another break of structure. So we see two break of structure on 3 minutes. You can go any time frame less than 5 minutes and confirm the trend here. So okay, so on this last break, we're gonna have the two break of structures here, right? So there will be two order blocks. So one order block will be this. So I'll make it a different color, let's say yellow, and there will be the extreme order block, which will be this. Okay, so what's gonna happen? Okay, like this. Okay, so what's gonna happen? Most of the time, price is gonna react on the first one and break this one. All right, or you can test it on different markets, on the forex market, on stock market. So how you can back test it. So but you have now 2 point of interest to enter based on our reaction. So we have confirmed two break of structures here, and we have this marked as this 2 points of interest, right? Now, so what we're going to do, as soon as the alert triggered, and you can put the entry here, stops conservative here, right? And what's our target? Our target will be a daily high. So this one we're targeting, see, 23. So you can make a tighter stop, but it will be it will be riskier if you go more tighter. So if you want to go more tighter, when the price hit this zone, you need to go to the 15-second or 30-second and enter on again 2 BOS there in that zone. That's called confirmation inside confirmation, right? But that's too complex. Okay, let's keep it simple. Okay, once you see those 2 BOS, you're gonna enter from the top of the order block and stops below the order block, and your target will be your daily high. Okay, so that's how we confirm the change in the trend. Okay, so to enter on the lower time frame, so you need 2 breaks of structures, and then you can take it from the nearest order block or the extreme order block. All right, so that is it for the today's video. So I will keep posting other videos mentioned in the curriculum on the very first video. If you don't know what is a curriculum, you go to the very first video, and then you'll see what the topics that I'm gonna cover. Okay, but yeah, so this is it for today's video. You can apply this to any kind of stock, any kind of market, any kind of candlestick pattern, or any fruit market which has a candlestick. It will work there. The principles are same. Okay, all right, so that is it. Thank you so much. See you after. Bye.